मोटिवेशन क्या होगी, इसकी दिमागी हालत क्या होगी, इसकी प्रायोरिटी ज़िंदगी में क्या होगी, इसके लाइक्स या डिसलाइक्स क्या होंगे। किरदार के लिए उन्होंने एक औरत को अप्रोच किया, एक एक्ट्रेस को अप्रोच किया, एंड दे डिडंट गिव इट टू अ मेल एक्टर टू प्ले। शॉट इन दीज इनक्रेडिबल सेट्स दैट वर रियली रियल। आई मीन आवर वॉर रूम सेट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंप्रेसिव सेट्स दैट आई हैव एवर बीन ऑन इन माई करियर। पेट भी है वो काफ़ी फुल है, तो मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा कि मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है। आई मीन आई नेवर से नेवर, बट फिलहाल अभी तो दूर दूर तक मुझे ये चीज़ दिखाई भी नहीं दे रही। आई डोंट थिंक इट विल एवर बी ईजी फॉर वुमेन। आई ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट थिंक सो, you know, and we have many fights left still to fight and a very, very long way to go.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the gorgeous, super talented. I look up to her, I'm sure you do as well. Joining me in a conversation is none other than Lara Dutta. So nice to have you.
Thank you, Aina. Thank you for having me.
I want to start off by asking you that, जब ऐसी story आपके पास आ रही है, I'm sure everyone is aware about this, but when you're working on a project as an actor, you're invested in the story and the character, just getting into the details and the intricacies of everything that happened during that phase, how sensitive did you become?
For me, my approach as an actor, whenever I receive something and I decide to do it, is of course once I get the script in my hand, script में आपका किरदार का एक ग्राफ है, scenes है, आपको पता है कि आपके dialogues क्या हैं, scenes क्या हैं. But for me the first most important thing is fleshing out what you don't see in the script, what you will never see on screen, which is who is this character, what is the back story. और कभी-कभी वो आपको स्क्रीन पे नहीं दिखता है, लेकिन मैं अपने दिमाग में उसे क्रिएट कर लेती हूँ कि इसकी मोटिवेशन क्या होगी, इसकी दिमागी हालत क्या होगी, इसकी प्रायोरिटी ज़िंदगी में क्या होगी, इसके लाइक्स या डिसलाइक्स क्या होंगे. एंड for a story like this, since it's based on true incidences, it's inspired by something that's already part of our history. तो मैं एक फौजी बेटी हूँ, तो ये जो बालाकोट स्ट्राइक हुई थी ऑलरेडी मेरे लिए काफ़ी close to home incident थी, तो I already knew quite a lot about it. But to create a character like Manisha Sehgal, to create somebody who is not just a journalist, but she's a story spinner. She creates, उसका एक line भी है कि if it's on the news and if it's in social media, it means it's real.
Yes.
तो वो जो लोग behind the scenes जो काम करते हैं, जो ये narrative create करते हैं, ये stories बुनते हैं और फिर public perception के लिए उन्हें फैलाते हैं en masse public पे, that somebody has to be a little ruthless, somebody very cunning, somebody very clever. And those are the things that Manisha Sehgal is. She's a powerful character in the corridors of the government and military and power. And मेरे लिए तो पहले मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इस टाइप ऑफ किरदार के लिए उन्होंने एक औरत को अप्रोच किया, एक एक्ट्रेस को अप्रोच किया, एंड दे डिडंट गिव इट टू अ मेल एक्टर टू प्ले बिकॉज नॉर्मली इट वुड बी प्लेड बाय अ मेल एक्टर. So there was a lot of responsibility because you're talking about something that's real and quite sensitive in creating a character. बट फिलहाल मेरे साथ बहुत ही अच्छे को स्टार्स भी थे जिनके साथ मैं पहले काम नहीं कर चुकी थी. आशीष विद्यार्थी जी, जिमी शेरगिल, आशुतोष राणा जी. So it was fantastic to feed off them as well because they're masters at their craft. And I mean, people will see it when they see Raniti on the 25th.
No, it's lovely to see a woman playing this. Like you said, times are changing and we're very happy for that. But this show also talks about the kind of pressure that goes inside the war room. जो शायद हमें, like the audience or normal people wouldn't know about it. Is there something that you learned from this that how do these guys actually take the pressure on them?
No, you do. I mean, we were working, we shot long hours, we shot in these incredible sets that were really real. I mean, our war room set is one of the most impressive sets that I have ever been on in my career. And you were recreating these scenarios just the way that they happened. So honestly, rongte khade ho jate the when you were visually seeing the dogfight that was happening on the screens. You were reacting to it, you were reacting minute to minute the way things unfolded. So it's very high pressure situations, very intense situations where you have to think very quickly on your feet. So as an actor, it's indescribable really to tell you what that felt like, even for that small amount of time, to recreate that and be part of it. So I'm sure when the audience sees it, you can palpably feel that kind of tension and that energy that existed.
It's going to get us on the edge.
Yeah.
See, personally, कभी politics में interest था?
नहीं
ever
बिल्कुल
in
नहीं
life?
आई थिंक और मेरा जो प्लेट भी है वो काफ़ी फुल है तो मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा कि मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है आई नेवर से नेवर बट फिलहाल अभी तो दूर दूर तक मुझे ये चीज़ दिखाई भी नहीं दे रही
No, but I also because you started your career from pageantry. Today we are seeing a lot of different kind of rules. They have cut down on swimsuit round. The height criteria has reduced big time. What do you have to say when you see these changes? And do you wish कि पहले थोड़ा होना चाहिए so it could have opened more doors to a lot of other girls?
Yeah, I think like everything else, the pageant business also has to evolve. It's gone way beyond just being about looks and beauty and things like that. And especially a contest like Miss Universe has always been far more beyond looks. It's been a very vocal, titled to hold.
Yeah.
And I think it's good for changes to come. It opens up the playing field. You have a lot more entrants. It just makes it more accessible for a lot of wonderful young women to come forward. So I hope to see more changes, positive changes.
As a woman, do you feel there's less pressure now on females? Because first there used to be like, there was a conventional way of looking at beauty, and the way we look at beauty now has expanded.
I don't think it'll ever be easy for women. I don't think so. You know?
that's
And we have many fights left still to fight and a very, very long way to go. We deal with it on an everyday basis regardless of which field we come from or what industry we belong to. And I think we push ourselves as women thrice as hard and we're so hard on ourselves as well. We don't allow ourselves to rest. कि ऐसा हम लोग कभी सोच के नहीं जा सकते कि हाँ ये जंग हमने जीत लिया तो अभी हम थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करके आगे चलेंगे. It's
never
just
ending.
every day. It's never ending. But that's it. That's womankind and we're up for it. So.
Yeah, we're multitaskers, as they say. Lastly, I have to mention about Ramayana. Everyone's so excited, intrigued. Also, the cast and the makers. What do you have to say? How much?
I'm equally excited as much as the entire country that the Ramayana is being made. So I'm just as equally excited as everyone else.
Sorry. And last question. There's a lot of shows based on patriotism and especially Pulwama attacks. Recently, we've also seen a few. How do you think that Raniti is going to stand out from the rest?
Because Raniti is not about two isolated incidences. It's very easy to dramatize something that is as dramatic as a war and a dogfight and an attack. Raniti is way beyond all of that. Raniti is the backstory of exactly why everything went down the way that it did.
Right.
And I hope in a way it will also be an eye-opener for the Indian audience to really know what the country went through in those 12 days between the Pulwama attack, the Balakot airstrike and beyond.
Awesome. Thank you so much for giving your time, and we'll see you super soon. All the very, very best for Raniti.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.